Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to cancel your Target debit card. So let's get started. The first step is prepare your information. First, make sure you have all the necessary information handy. This includes your account details such as your name, billing address, and card number. Having this information ready will make the process smoother. Then head to the step 2. Step 2 is call customer service. Next, you will need to call Target's customer service. Their toll-free number is 888-729-7331. Note this number, grab your phone and dial the number. Now, step 3 is navigate the phone menu. Once you are connected, listen carefully to the automated menu option. Navigate through the option until you are directed to speak with a customer service representative. This may involve pressing a few numbers, so be patient. Step 4. Request cancellation. When you are connected to a representative, clearly state that you wish to cancel your Target debit card. They will ask you to verify your account information, so be ready to provide the details you prepared earlier. The last and step 5 is confirm cancellation. Finally, once the representative confirms your card is cancelled, ask for a confirmation message. This could be a text or email. Ensure you receive this for your records. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your Target debit card. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more useful guides. Thanks for watching and see you next time.